Upon discovering the girl's hunger, the judge issued an astonishing decree. Frank Caprio, renowned as the impassive judge from the television series Caught in Providence, is familiar to thousands of individuals. While working as a teacher, he pursued his law studies in night school, ultimately becoming a lawyer in 1965. 2 decades later, he ascended to the esteemed position of chief judge at the Providence Municipal Court. Ever since assuming this role, Caprio has garnered significant favor with the city council, leading to his re-election for an impressive 6 terms. The television show, set in his courtroom, began filming in the year 2000, propelling Caprio's popularity even further. Notably, he became well known for his impartial and just decisions, adding an element of unpredictability to his rulings. The show revolves around authentic individuals and genuine court cases, and although some may perceive Caprio as the star, he regards his role with utmost seriousness. "I'm not here in the court to entertain," he asserts. "My primary objective is to dispense justice." However, that hasn't stopped YouTube videos of some of the judge's cases from going viral, and one such episode attracted a special amount of public attention. It featured a woman who appeared in court with 2 daughters in her arms. The woman found herself in front of Judge Caprio after authorities fined her for parking on the sidewalk. She was issued $100 fine, which she did not pay when the woman arrived at court. Caprio seemed more interested in talking to her 6-year-old daughter Janice. Therefore, he called the girl to the podium to learn more about her. He asked her what her favorite subjects at school were, and she replied that they were math and English. Caprio went on to ask Janice what she wanted to be when she grew up, and when she told him she wanted to be a teacher, he was ecstatic. "It is wonderful. That's a great job. That way you can help other people improve their lives, right?" He said, however, that day Caprio wanted Janice to help him in a different way. He wanted her to help him judge her mother fairly and honestly, and fortunately, the smart girl accepted his proposal after giving the floor to her mother. Caprio asked the defendant if she had an explanation. "I went to my cousin's house to pick up some things. He was having a party and I didn't want anyone to hit my car, so I parked on the sidewalk." The woman said. Judge Caprio then gave Janice Denise 2 options. She could charge her mom all the late fees, which would have amounted to $300, or she could waive the fines and have her mom pay the original $100 fine, but then Caprio revealed a 3rd option. He could do something good for Janice's mom. For example, he could lower the fine to $50, or if Janice thought it'd be fair, he could drop the charges altogether and her mom would get away without paying a dime. In response to his question, Janice decided that the fairest option would be to charge her mother $50. However, Caprio decided to change the subject for a moment. He asked Janice what she had for breakfast that morning, and her answer seemed to touch him. Janice explained that she hadn't eaten anything before arriving at the courthouse and was very hungry. Then Judge Caprio decided to make a deal with the girl's mom. He said that if the woman agreed to buy her children breakfast after leaving court, then he would drop the case faced with another option. Janice agreed that breakfast was the best option, and after giving Judge Caprio a big hug, she walked out of the courtroom with her family without paying a cent. Perhaps unsurprisingly, the touching decision proved popular with viewers. Soon the video began to spread on the internet. Moreover, those who watched the video spoke with enthusiasm about Judge Caprio and his ruling, calling him the fairest judge in the comments. Undoubtedly, the girl's mother broke the rules, but being able to make a ruling in good conscience is so important. Caprio comprehended that enforcing the fine would essentially deprive these children of their basic sustenance. The woman's struggle to provide for her 2 kids was evident, highlighting the challenges she faced. His actions serve as a testament to the fact that individuals in positions of power can possess compassionate hearts. It becomes apparent that strict adherence to the letter of the law is not always feasible, as circumstances can vary greatly, and much depends on the specific context. I hope you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.